Napansin nyo rin ba na pabata ng pabata ang mga nagkaka-cancer, heart attack, or stroke? Sabi nila it's because of a lot of factors. Unhealthy food, lifestyle, stress, pollution, and sometimes hereditary. Sabi nga nila it's not a question of if magkakasakit ka, but it's a question of when. Kailan? At kapag nangyari yun, there are only 3 stages na pagdadaanan mo. The ill, the pill, and the bill. Ill. Pag nagkasakit ka, pag na-diagnose ka, pag inatake ka. Pill. Siyempre, gagawin mo ang lahat upang gumaling ka. Hospitalization, medication, radiation, rehabilitation. At doon papasok yung last stage, the bill. Sino sa mga kaibigan or kamag-anak mo ang kaya magbigay ng millions of pesos upang ikaw ay gumaling? We cannot help you with the first 2 stages, but certainly we can help you with the last stage. Kung ayaw mo magka-problema, ikaw at ang pamilya mo, talk to your financial advisor today and be future ready.